Hey, listen, if you are struggling trader or you are break even or somewhat profitable, whatever you want to call it, I hope you can see me in this camera. Let me actually set this up a little bit better, like this. This video might be for you. If you're already making 100k a month, you might want to skip this video because it's not for you. This video is gonna be raw, unfiltered, uncut, nothing like this. It's gonna be dry. Some of you may be boring, but it's gonna be true to the core. I've been trading for the past two years. So I placed my first trade, serious trade, in April 2023, and I marked it in my calendar. And then since then, after about 10 months, 10 or 11 months, I passed my 100k funded challenge with Alpha Capital. I got funded. Since then, after that, I got funded in May, I believe, or April. In March. I got 2 withdrawals. One was around $1,200, another was $1,000, something like that. And that was last June 2024. Now is June 2025. So it's been a year since I had any withdrawal, since I make any profit. And I tell you what, if you are there, if you are in the same position or similar position like me, it fucking sucks, man. I know how it feels, trust me. And I'm there right now, and I'm really considering if trading is actually the right thing for me to do. Many of you don't know, I had a business before. I still do have it on Amazon, and I'm selling Kindle books, audio books on Audible, etc. If you've been buying any self-help books or trading books, etc., you might bought some of my books. I don't write those books. I just find the ghostwriters and the writer books for me. But that's for another video, completely different topic. What I'm trying to say is, I got successful with the business, and I achieved my 10 or 12k a month, and then I got cancelled from Amazon, and then I opened a new account, started getting to about 5 to 6k. And guess what? Amazon canceled me again. They closed my account, completely shut it down, and just said basically fuck off. And then since then, I was like, well, what can I do? YouTube is pretty much the same as Amazon. They can wake up one day and then decide that they don't like you anymore, and they can just basically make up stories and cancel and close your account completely. Same as YouTube, same as Amazon, same as anything. So what else is there to do, which if I can learn it, the skill, no one can take it away from me. And that was trading. Now, trading is probably a little bit harder than I anticipated, to be honest. I was thinking I can just stick to it as I stick to it, my business, and achieve the 10k a month, pretty regularly. And then that didn't happen. So it's been a little over 2 years. And still not consistently profitable. As I said, I had a few withdrawals, but that's pretty much it, man. So if you're in the same situation like me, and then you're struggling, I would say just the one thing: just keep pushing. I'm gonna keep pushing. And then if you like this channel, what I'm sharing with you, as you know, most of my videos are just basically me sharing what happened for the past week or two. What went wrong, what went wrong with my trade, what went right with my trades, and etc. So this video is a little bit different. This video is me sharing my thoughts. This is not me to cry. This is not me to complaining that trading is hard. I know what I signed up for. I know that very well. The only thing is, I think I'm getting to the stage where you really trying to reconsider your choices. And I think this is the time where most traders, or basically in any business, is where you become successful. I remember, I'll tell you a little bit my story. When I was trying to make it in the Kindle publishing, in the self-publishing, whatever you want to call it, I was trying to make it for a year, and then it got to the point where I seriously thought giving up. Exactly the same moment as I'm right now. And I think it was 1 year and 6 months or 5 months when I achieved the 10K or 12K a month, because that was my goal, get to $10,000 a month. And guess what? Right before I achieved that month, I was sitting on my bed. I think at that time I was with my ex-girlfriend in Sri Lanka. I've been traveling because I was building this business while I was traveling, believe it or not, backpacking around Asia, Southeast Asia. And I'm sitting on my bed. I'm thinking to myself, this is fucked, man. I'm trying so hard. All other people already made it. They're successful, and I'm still making like 4 or 5K. I'm reinvesting everything back into the business. Nothing happening for me. And guess what, bro? Literally 2 months later, 2 months later, I achieved the 10,000. Actually, I made 11,000 and a half or something like that. Profit. So that was amazing. And I feel like I'm in exactly the same situation where I feel like just giving up, just moving on from trading. Just find something else, something easier, if you want to call it. But as they say, grass is always greener on the other side. When in fact, if you just water it, your grass, it might become greener. So if you're in the same situation like me and you've been, trading for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, heck, 5 years, and you're still not consistently profitable, reevaluate your trading approach, your strategy, your mindset, and then just keep pushing. I'm gonna keep pushing because what else is there to do? Yeah, sure, you can do social media, marketing. You can do a lot of things. You can do Amazon, you can do Shopify, you can do YouTube, you can do so many things, man. The only problem with that is if you're on the platform of other people, of other corporation. Let's say you want to make your business on YouTube, as an example. Make your personal YouTube channel, vlogging, whatever it might be. What if you do one wrong video or something just happened and YouTube closed your account? What, are you going to open a new one? Sure. Is it going to take time? So I had to make one cut because people were just passing. And for some reason, I don't know if you've been recording outside, but wherever you stop and then people passing by, they tend to stop exactly at the stop where you're filming. Go figure, bro. I don't know. It's just like this kind of thing. I don't know. So what I was talking about, YouTube. It's going to take some time, yeah. And then, you never know if you're going to make it back. I know few YouTubers, quite few, which their account was just shut down and then they had to move on to something else. I mean, I'm not saying it's necessarily a bad idea to start a YouTube channel. Definitely it's another good stream of income. But relying solely, purposefully, just only one stream of income, bro, from YouTube especially, or any other corporation, Amazon, Shopify, anything, it's risky. I mean, trading is risky too, but if you don't learn any other skill where you can basically make money, instant cash, then I will not rely on it. And that's trading. This is why exactly I keep pushing trading, because trading is, once you learn the skill, bro, you can basically trade until you die. It doesn't require physical ability. It's press the button and on a mouse and on your keyboard. It doesn't require to do any of that stuff, work hard or anything. You just basically have to wait, do your analysis properly, and that's it. So this is why this is why I love trading, because once you learn it, you basically can make money in the rest of your life, and no one can take it away for you. Is your broker shut down? Sure. Just find a new broker and then deposit another cash and make another money. You moving overseas, no problem. We can work from there. So this is why I love trading. By the way, I'm just gonna show you here a little bit where I am. I'm here in Siargao, Philippines. I've got some goats right there. I just went to the beach here. Still a little bit rubbish, but it's okay. Currently low tide here in Philippines. Siargao. I don't know what that is, bro. You see that? Maybe it's for fishing or something. So, anyway, I just thought I'd go for a little walk here on a beautiful day. Finally, it's been raining so much, and then just film a little video of my thoughts here, because, you know, I was thinking I always just film videos where I'm basically just talking at front of my computer. So this is a little bit different. Anyway, I think that's pretty much it what I wanted to say, my friend. If you enjoyed this video, you don't have to click the like, which I would like you to, but also, if you into trading, you probably are because you're watching this video, under this video is gonna be a link to my Telegram channel. I don't really promote it much, but currently have crazy number, which is 11 members in a Telegram group. And what is there is free, and I'm just sharing basically my trades in the real time, sometime a little bit later, you know, if you're doing other stuff. And then yeah, I just post my trades when I'm in, when I'm out, and etc. So if that's something you interest you, before I become the so-called guru and become, you know, so successful that I make millions of dollars and charge people, you know, $500,000 for Signal Group, then this is for you, it's free. No, I'm just kidding. I'll probably never do that. Although it's probably a lie, you know. You know, why would you not charge people to learn your skill? You know, look at me now. You know, look, I've been trading for 2 years, still not successful, not constantly profitable. I had some success, still not constantly profitable. When I become constantly profitable, right, and my win rate is 50% or 60%, and I'm constantly profitable, imagine that I will not charge people to learn trading. Of course I would. It makes completely sense. So anyway, I'm just kind of drifting away from the main topic. So again, if you've been struggling, keep pushing, brother, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.